So this video I will introduce how to install the aerial parts. So first step, we will according to the design documents to install the aerosol. This is the position we need to install. The second part is about the connection. This part is the wire connection. We have four wires. The red wire is connected to the 24 voltage positive, and the black wire is connected to the 24 voltage negative. And the two wires is the yellow and white is the feedback wires. So about the connection, we just need to, according to the design documents, to connect the four wires. And this part is about the spring direction. When we finished the installation, we need to be careful. The first step, the installation, we need to be careful to turn off the power. And the second, for the installation, we need to be careful. The start wires, we need to cut off. And the third point, this spring direction, when you installation, don't face yourself.